Hey Team Inspire, it is your fearless leader Jess. I hope y'all are doing awesome today. I wanted to talk to you about some dry skin solutions. This is the time of year where it's like, the moisture, we can't get enough, right? Be it the cold weather and the wind and all of those kinds of things. Oopsie. It's just a need. And a lot of people, their skin just doesn't feel hydrated, doesn't feel healthy. It can even start to feel stressed by the cold weather. So if your face just seems just kind of sluggish, if your skin seems crepey or dry and you're just not getting anywhere, one thing you might want to consider is the Moisture Renewing Gel Mask. It is an awesome product for moisture. And I want to give you kind of an overview on what is it. So basically what happens is that the mask breathes new moisture into your skin. So instantly it's more hydrated. And because of the ingredients, I'll get there in a minute, it has this humectant factor, so it attracts moisture to it. It also helps to balance out your moisture levels in general long term. So your skin is firmed, it's calmed, that improves the skin tone, it reduces any kind of a stressed, sluggish look, and really does a great job. So why does this work? The formula contains sodium hyaluronate. I don't really know how to say that. It's super close to hyaluronic acid, which is amazing for the body. It is a reparative, restorative ingredient. And that's where it acts like a sponge to soak in and attract moisture so your body can use it more effectively. It also has plant-derived glycerin, which also attracts moisture. And it's formulated to help firm, calm the skin, and strengthen the skin barrier. So chestnut seed is what's causing that. It helps to calm. It also has niacinamide, which is a principal form of vitamin B3 and helps fortify the skin's barrier. So it's protective, it's restorative, it's moisturizing, and it also has an antioxidant superpower called acai berry in it, which helps neutralize free radicals. And it is 80 times more potent than green tea. So this baby does a lot in one. But let's start with moisture. If you need moisture, this might be something for you. It's also going to make your skin look better, feel better. It's going to be more protected. What more could we look for, right? So, how do you use this? You can do it two different ways. You can do it as a mask at night after you wash your face. You can put this on, leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes, and then wash it off. Or for a more advanced experience, you can leave it on all night. And so that's what I typically do is I wash my face, I put this on, then I add my eye cream, and I go to bed. And then in the morning, your skin will feel soft, it will feel supple, it will feel rejuvenated. It's awesome. So have you checked this out yet? You definitely want to. Check out all the details on Mary Kay in Touch in the product information PDF attached to this product description, and you will not be sorry. All right, y'all, have a great and wonderful holiday week.